Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your battle speed on the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle on your device. And after you are taken into the home page, you can start playing your game by pressing on the start button. But if you wish to change and increase the battle speed, then in order to do so, just tap on the menu icon alongside the start button. Once you tap on it, you will see various different options, from which you can tap on Options menu, and now you will see the battle speed option at the very beginning. By default, the standard speed is used, so if you want to speed it up, just tap on the speed up button, and now this will speed up your battles within your game right away. You can now go back and start playing your game with your battle speed increased, and if at any point you wish to change this setting once again, you can go back to the options page and once again choose the standard battle speed. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your battle speed on the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.